Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I do motovlogs, cooking, stuff with tech and video games, and a few other random things. If any of that interests you, go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below and you'll be notified whenever I get a new video out here on YouTube. But today I've got an unboxing for you of the A6 Pro from ATOTO. I started doing some research into car audio stuff and head units, and I noticed that these are actually really popular, but there wasn't very many like what's in the box things going on. So I figured I might as well make one of those so other people that are in my situation can find out what's in the box, what they're getting, and whether or not that's what they're looking for. So this one is the non-gesture version. They do make a gestured version, but everywhere I looked for research, people said that they don't use the gestures because it's either not responsive or it just was uneasy to use. So it's pretty basic. It has all the everything that it's going to do for you on the thing there. It's going to connect with your phone and charge it. You can play music. You can hit up the Google Play Store because it's an Android unit. It plays the radio. It can take your phone calls and do a bunch of maps. This one particularly has Bluetooth 5.0 with Qualcomm's aptX technology, which makes it easier and better to play your Bluetooth audio from what I was able to find. Here we have the actual part number, and noting that it's a 2 gig RAM model with 32 gigs of RAM, which you probably can't see because I don't have it zoomed in, but that's okay. Simple flap and open up the top, and we can figure out what's in here. So right on the top, it looks like we have a GPS module with a little bit of 3M tape, a microphone, a USB cable with 2 ends, a Wi-Fi adapter, or antenna, excuse me, a Wi-Fi antenna with 3M tape on the back, a power adapter without any, a power adapter with guides on the side, as well as a manual wrapped around it, a faceplate that's pretty thin actually, a quick start guide / manual, owner's manual, couple screen protectors, the warranty book, mounting hardware, and then we come to another flap, and the radio itself is packaged in some nice foam, which is pretty great actually. It's really good packaging foam. It's squishy, but not too squishy, and it's thick. So, and then on top of that, the unit is wrapped then again in another layer of foam to protect it. And it has silicone beads. So there is the front of the new unit. Has all of its power buttons, audio buttons, forward, backwards, and a home button. And because this is the non-gesture model, we have a front USB here. We have our audio jack, or our aux cable in. We have a micro SD card and a microphone on the unit. Quick instructions on how to set it up. and all the stuff on the back for inputs and whatnot. So that is it for the A6 Pro from ATOTO unboxing, guys. If it helped you out, and go ahead and give this video a like. If you thought it was dumb, go ahead and give it a dislike. Go ahead and comment down below on what car you think this is going to go into. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.